So let's make our dough first. We have all of our ingredients ready. So we'll start by adding the vinegar to the egg plus some water and give that a mix. Then let's take a large bowl and we'll start by adding the flour to the bowl. Then cut the butter, add that to the bowl with the flour, and we're going to use a board scraper to mix that in together. You can also use your food processor if you would like to make this dough. Add the salt, the sugar, and give that a mix. Next, we'll add the egg in a couple of portions. And that's the last portion. Let's give that a good mix. Then you can put the dough out on the board and use the palm of your hand to give that a push so that the butter is well incorporated into the dough. We'll roll that into a ball and roll that up in plastic and leave in the refrigerator for an hour before we use it. We'll use 2 oranges for the pie, so you need to peel the outer layer of skin and try to remove a lot of the white part as well, and then slice them about 1 to 2 millimeters thick before putting them on the pie. All right, let's roll out the well-chilled dough. Put a little bit of flour on the sill pad there. Put lightly flour the rolling pin as well to start your rolling. And again, always move the dough around so that way it doesn't stick to your surface. So we're going to roll this dough so that it's about 25 centimeters in width. Now we're going to spread the on paste on top of the dough. Don't spread the on all the way to the edges. Leave about 2 to 3 centimeters since we're going to turn up the edge of the tart itself. Now let's place the oranges decoratively over the bean paste, the on. And we're going to add a few sprigs of rosemary for decoration, and then just use a knife to lift up the tart edges so that they cover a little bit of the tart, and tap that down so it looks like a nice decoration. Use some egg wash, the remaining egg, to brush over, and you're ready for the oven. The tart is beautifully baked to a golden brown. Some of the oranges there are a little bit crispy around the edges. They look delicious though. Let's take a piece and try this. Mmm.